Hey everybody, it's your girl Mrs. Garcia coming back with another video. To all my new watchers, hello and welcome. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button as well as the bell notification down below. Now you guys know I couldn't let the year in without giving you guys a cocktail, right? So this is my adult, not so hot chocolate. I'm going to show you everything I put inside. Let's get started. So I did start off with 2 cups of ice to my blender. It did get stuck, so you just see me taking the ice out with the nails and get deep down inside there. I'm just adding the rest of that to my blender. Next, I'm going to go in with 2 cups of milk. Now you can substitute the milk for vanilla ice cream, but I do prefer the milk. Next, I'm going to go in with 2 packs of cocoa mix. This is the one with the marshmallows, but any one you have is fine. Now I'm going to add the Kahlua. So I'll be adding about 1.5 cups of Kahlua. Now you can also add a shot of brandy if you really want to get the party started, but I just like it with the Kahlua. It tastes like a chocolate malt. It's so delicious. So again, if you do want to add more liquor, go ahead, be my guest. But I'm just going to stick to the Kahlua. Okay, after I did add that, I'm just going to blend that up until it's completely smooth. So you want the consistency of a milkshake. That's how I blended it, so about 2 to 3 minutes. You guys, if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. So once it's completely blended, I'm just going to add these to my mason jar. If there's any cocktail recipes that you guys would like for me to show on my channel, please make sure you leave them in the comments below, and I promise to get to them in the new year. So this batch did make about 4 cups. Or, just have it for an extra refill, your preference. Next, I'm just going to add some whipped cream on top. Then I'm gonna give it a caramel drizzle, or you can add chocolate syrup if you do have that. These are just the toppings that I'm putting on top of mine. Next, I'm just gonna give that a little sprinkle of cinnamon. Then I'm just going to top that off with some wafer cookies. And look at that, so pretty. And they taste delicious. Like I said, they just taste like a chocolate malt. Look at that. Picture perfect. Again, I just want to wish you guys all a happy new year. Please stay safe in everything you guys do for the evening. Please remember to like, comment, subscribe, and share this content, and hit the bell notification down below so you can be notified for the next video. And for more tasty recipes, go ahead and hit the playlist at the end.